Meaning of gaffe.
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 Gaffe. The term gaffe refers to a social blunder or mistake made by someone in a public setting, usually resulting in embarrassing or awkward situations. It can refer to anything from an unintended insult to a clumsy physical action. The consequences of a gaffe can vary depending on the severity of the mistake and the context in which it was made. In some cases, it may be quickly forgotten, while in others it can lead to significant damage to one's reputation or even career. Therefore, it is important to avoid making such mistakes by being careful with our words and actions.